Like Christmas, everywhere we go. Hey y'all, it's your girl Fee and welcome back to our family vlog channel. We ain't been about to write this whole Vlogmas thing. We are combining day 8 and 9. I really haven't been feeling good, honestly, since about Thanksgiving, but I'm feeling better now. I'm out and about. Today is actually my off day and I'm about to go to Walmart to pick up a few things. Yeah, but y'all, housekeeping. Please make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Tap that notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a video. Y'all, it's free. Help a sister out. Help a sister out. Come on. We love y'all long time. All right, y'all. Bye. Pray for you, girl. I really, really hate Walmart so bad. Let's suit up. We're so glad you were born, and we thank told y'all I'm obsessed with candles. It smells so good. Iced cupcake and cozy morning. $78 later. That's why I hate Walmart. It's the ghetto, child. Yeah, you brush your teeth. Ooh, so fresh and so clean. Hey y'all, so I just came back from Target, cooking right now. I got some chicken thighs in the oven, and I'm about to relax, maybe fold some clothes. I won't be doing nothing for real, just be home. Especially.
Mommy, can I have some snack?
What kind of snack?
May.
Stop kicking me!
Hey, Blocky. Hey, Blocky Block.
What you?
Video.
Make sure you.
Make sure you
What?
subscribe.
No, my version.
My phone
This is the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that notification button.
This is the video.
A video? You heard it here, folks. It's the end of the video.